sure you did. For all of you who are new, hi, my name is Lizette. Welcome to our channel. If you've been watching me for a while, thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to chat and catch up with you guys and show you all how I got this makeup look using BeBella Cosmetics. But really quickly, I want to talk to you all about Dossier. I have been working with them for a while. They are a perfume subscription service, so they have perfumes, colognes, and I have reviewed them a few times here on my channel. I absolutely love their perfumes, and the two I got this month are the Citrus Green Apple, which top notes, I'm gonna put the top notes, the middle notes, and the base notes here on the screen. It is inspired by Dolce & Gabbana's Light Blue for women. I love how much this smells so much. I do love green apple. I love the way green apple smells, and I absolutely love the way that this perfume smells. It smells so good. It's a nice blend. You can definitely smell a lot of the jasmine, the cedarwood, the musk, as well as the green apple. I love the combination together. It's kind of strong, but it's also very summery, spring. It's a perfect summer spring type of fragrance, and I love it. Definitely check it out. I will link Dossier down below. Thank you so much, Dossier, for sponsoring this portion of the video. And as for the second perfume I got, the second perfume is Floriental Brown Sugar. It's inspired by YSL's Mon Paris, and I'm gonna put the top notes here on the screen, as well as show you up close shots of how the perfumes look. I absolutely love Dossier's perfumes. They are iconic scents with the designer quality without the markup. All of them are pretty much very affordable. They range from $29. I think the most expensive one I saw was $49 on their website, but that's definitely very affordable compared to how much designer perfumes cost. They're usually very expensive, as we all know. The Floriental Brown Sugar, oh my God, I love this perfume. It is the perfect fall scent. I can definitely smell a lot of the bergamot, as well as the orange blossom, the brown sugar, and a pinch of the vanilla. It smells so good and mixed together, stunning. You guys will love this scent. Definitely make sure to check out the Floriental Brown Sugar in case you're looking for a nice fall scent as we head into the fall time here in New York City. Or let me know where you are all from and let me know what the seasons are like over there. But definitely check out Dossier. I'm gonna link everything down below, and let's jump right into this video where we catch up, chat, and do some makeup. Okay, so let's get started with this tutorial and chit chat type of video. Really quickly, if you hear the fan in the background, it's because it's like 8 million degrees in here and I'm super hot. So that's why I put the fan on in the background. So sorry, but I gotta keep it on to film, because then if not, we'll be burning up. We don't want that. So how have you all been doing? Let me know in the comment section down below where you are all from and how you have all been doing. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using the BeBella Cosmetics Dreaming in Color Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment for Cheeks palette. Look how this palette looks, you guys. I'm going to show you up close. It looks so pretty, so stunning. I love all of the colors. I love that some of the colors are eyeshadows and some of them are pressed pigments for the cheeks. I'm going to be mixing them because why not? And talking to you guys at the same time. I also have some lip products from them. I also have this Diamond Glow Duster in the shade, or in the color Princess. So I cannot wait to show you all how it looks. This is one I done, as you can see. And that's the Diamond Glow Duster on my eyelid. It looks amazing. I love it. But anyways, let me talk to you guys and get this eyeshadow tutorial started. Let me know in the comment section down below how you all have been, what's been going on, what's new. I'll bring you up to date a little bit with what's new here, or what's new pretty much for my channel, if you will. Let me use this brush. So I'm gonna be doing more sponsored content here on my channel. I've done a few sponsored videos, skincare related, and I love doing sponsored content simply because it allows me to try new products, and it also allows me to pretty much get paid to try the product and review the product, or make a tutorial, a demo, whatever is necessary to show you all how the product looks, how it performs. I especially love it, obviously, whenever I'm working with colored contact lens companies, because I feel like I love trying new colored contacts and trying out new companies. And so I think that it's really fun and it's really cool to be able to do it and get paid for it. I think getting paid for it is a bonus. Of course, you always want to be honest or give an honest review, which I definitely will continue to stick to, because I never want anyone to feel like I'm just giving a product a good review because I'm getting paid for it, which can happen sometimes, and I'm sure it does happen on YouTube sometimes, but I never want like my audience to feel that way. You guys know what I mean? Let me know what you all think about sponsorships or sponsored content in the comment section down below. Speaking of which, I just use my Hoola Benefit bronzer. I like to use it as a transition color because I feel like it helps to blend the colors together. And from the Dreaming in Color palette, I am going to be using the shades Fuschia, Magenta, and then I'm going to be using the Diamond Glow Duster in Princess. So I'll put it up on the screen right here when I'm switching the colors, just so you all know. So let me know in the comment section down below, what is your favorite season and why? So far, I love this eyeshadow palette because the colors blend so nicely. Like, they blend out so nicely. Speaking of YouTube, I've been on this platform for about 3 to 4 years. I think it's nice to know that I might be doing it like part-time because of the sponsored content and the companies that I'm working with, which I think is really cool, because for the longest I've always wanted to do it part-time and then at some point go full-time. So I think it's like finally happening and I'm like super excited about it, and it's like a dream, if you will. I know that sounds so like cliche, but it really does feel like almost like a dream. Like, I'm super excited. I love putting out content for you guys. To be honest, some days I don't really want to film, but I push myself to film because just life, for whatever reasons, I just, you know, like when you don't really feel motivated to do it. But then I look at the different, like, I look at all of this stuff that I want to review, especially if it's colored contact lenses, especially if it's skincare products, anything that, or hair. I look at it and then I'm like, I gotta do a review. I gotta tell you guys about this. So that's what pushes me and motivates me the times that I don't feel motivated to make content. So I think that's always a good thing, to like push yourself and motivate yourself. Even at times or on days when you don't really probably want to make content, it's nice to be able to push yourself to make content if that's what you do or that's what you dream of doing. It takes a lot of self-discipline, I'm learning, and keeping a good schedule, but I think it's really fun. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you all do for work? Or what is your dream job, or rather I should say. I think that's really cool and fun. These colors are blending like so easily, and I'm just blending them one on top of the other. I think they're blending really well. So if you guys are thinking of getting this palette, definitely get it. Are you guys into makeup, or are you just more into other things? Like, let me know in the comment section down below. I absolutely love makeup. In case you guys couldn't tell, I absolutely love makeup. I just bought a bunch of makeup. Not even a bunch, but I bought some makeup, and I just get super excited whenever it comes in and I swatch it and I try it and I'm like, oh yes. I just absolutely love makeup. It's so fun and creative. I love fun and creative. I love anything that allows you to express your creativity. I'm sure you guys know, so that's me. Oh yeah, speaking of colored contact, There's a few companies that I'm going to have also have sponsored content coming up with, and some of them are obviously color contact lens companies, and I think it's cool. I think it's cool. Let me know what colors you guys like, because usually whenever they reach out to me and they want to sponsor my content, they always ask me to pick colors off their website, and I'm always like, what colors do I want to get? You guys know how much I love green colors, hazel colored contact lenses, anything in the brown family or hazel color family. I love those lenses, but let me know if you want me to try like different colors too. Like I know like sometimes blue, sometimes gray, even though those aren't the colors that I personally flock to, but I just want to be of a service to you guys and be able to show different colors, so I think that's cool too. So let me know what other colors that you want me to try, and then I always try and mix it up and put like a color like a purple or a pink that I wouldn't normally gravitate toward, but if it looks wearable, I might try it, even though I'm not gonna wear it outside, you know what I mean? All right, now I'm going to go to their diamond. All right, for the Diamond Glow Duster in Princess, this color is so pretty. You guys see it? Like, it is so freaking stunning. I put it on this eye and I was like blown away. You know when you're blown away by a color? Oh crap, I poured too much. No, I'll use it all anyway. Well, not all of it, but I'll use some of this. It's so pretty. I feel like when all is said and done though, I'm gonna have this duster stuff all over my room. This is gonna be a hassle to clean up. I spent the past two days, I want to say, cleaning and organizing, and oh my god, I never realized how much stuff I have until I start organizing. And then you know, like when something takes forever and you're like, why is this taking so long? And it's because basically you have a whole lot of stuff. You know, because my husband doesn't have a lot of stuff. Men usually never have a lot of stuff. But women, forget it. I feel like we always have a lot of stuff. Always. Do you guys see how pretty this is? I'm going to show you up close when I'm done, obviously. But I don't know if the camera is picking it up. It is so freaking pretty. And all I did was wet the brush. I didn't put any glue or anything else on top of it. Look at this. Let me see if I can zoom you guys in. Hold on. Let me not spill this all over my room, because I just finished organizing this room. Do you guys want to see how the room looks organized? Let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll do a little beauty room tour if you want. I think that'll be cute and fun. But let me know in the comment section below. Oh man, I'm gonna have to put all this back. At least it was, oh my gosh, the top fell. At least it was, I put the little capper, there's a little capper that comes on top of it like this. I put the capper on it, thank God. Okay. It's gonna be some dust around my room, but hopefully not too much. All right, let me try and zoom you guys in. This is how it looks. And I'm gonna put on liner, lashes, the whole shebang, and be right back. Okay, so I finished the eyes. I put on liner, I put on mascara, and I put on my lashes. These are my lashes in the style Fabulash. I absolutely love them. They're my favorite. I will link everything in the description box down below, including my beauty store. Make sure you check it out if you are interested. I do have beauty bundle that comes with 2 pairs of lashes. You get an extra pair, as well as tweezers and lash glue. So I will link everything down below, and I absolutely love this look. Let me go into the lips just to finish this up. So I got 3 kinds of lipsticks from BeBellaCosmetics. These are the Bella Luxe lipsticks. I got 2 lipsticks and a lip gloss. The 2 lipsticks I got are Flexin and My Type. And then the lip gloss I got is called Level Up. This is what they all look like. The packaging is super, super cute. I think I'm gonna try Flexin first. Flexin might be a little bit too light, but I will see. If I don't like it, then I'll take it off and put on my type. Oh my God, look at the packaging. Packaging is so stinking cute. Absolutely love it. These are supposed to be very, very moisturizing. Let me see. My lips are so dry, you guys. I think it's I think once I add the lip gloss on top of it, it's gonna be okay. The component, super stinking cute. Super cute. And then let me try the lip gloss. Level Up. Okay. This component is so cute. I'm gonna darken it just a pinch. Just a pinch with another lip gloss that I have here, just to mix it. And that is it. That is the end of this tutorial. This is my finished look. So let me wrap up this video. Okay, that is it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. I had so much fun creating this makeup look for you all. I will link everything I use in the description box down below. BeBella Cosmetics. I love your stuff. I just love all of the products that I tried here today. I will definitely be buying more cosmetics, you know, over the next few weeks, next few months from your shop. Definitely check them out if you want some affordable good makeup. And don't forget to check out my store as well. I will link everything down below. You can check out the lashes that I have and the other beauty products that I use today or that I have on my store. So thank you all so much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out a lot and I really, really do appreciate it. If you want to look and feel beautiful, know about the latest fashion trends, keep up with the beauty community news, me as well as my brand, The Luxe Princess, and live a fun and healthy lifestyle, then make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that bell notification to be notified of when I upload. I upload Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. Let me know what other videos you want to see down below, and I will check you all out in my next video. Bye, guys.